What if I told you that you could go from zero to a live product listing on Etsy, Amazon, or Shopify with a custom design, title, description, and tags in under 5 minutes? No Photoshop, no Canva, no guessing what sells. Let me show you exactly how. Hey, welcome back. Today, I'm showing you a tool called Effortless Pod, and it's changing the game for print-on-demand sellers. This is the fastest workflow I've ever used, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to replicate it yourself. Let's get into it. First, head over to effortlesspod.com and create your account. It takes about 30 seconds. Once you're in, you'll see a clean dashboard. This is your command center. Next, connect your Printify account to Effortless Pod. This is the bridge that lets your designs flow directly into your store. Just go to Settings, link your Printify, and you're done. One-time setup. Now here's where it gets powerful. Download their Chrome extension called Reimagine. This little tool is what makes the whole system click. Once it's installed, go to Etsy and browse the best sellers in your niche. You're not copying anyone, you're just finding what the market already loves. When you spot a winning product, use the extension to cue the design. That's literally it. One click and Effortless Pod goes to work. You can queue multiple designs in a row. While you keep browsing, the system handles everything in the background. Now just sit back for a moment. The AI generates a fresh, original design inspired by the best sellers you found. But it doesn't stop there. It also runs a trademark check, writes your product title, description, and tags, and places everything neatly in an awaiting review queue. Once it's ready, go to the awaiting review tab. You'll see your design with its AI written listing. Your job here is simple scan for any spelling mistakes or AI hallucinations, because sometimes AI gets a little too creative. If everything looks good, hit approve and it moves to publish. Takes about 20 seconds. The final step is hopping over to Printify to adjust your mockup, pick the right product image, make sure it looks great, and then publish it live to your store. Whether that's Etsy, Amazon, Shopify, or any other platform connected to Printify, it goes live instantly. Start to finish, that's 3 to 5 minutes per product, 3 live listings in the time it used to take to open Canva. If you want to scale your print-on-demand store without the burnout, this is the workflow. Link is in the description. Go check it out, and I'll see you in the next one.